super awkward. Drop your hands. Yeah, just like that. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Now pause. Now fingers in. Good. Lift up. And now we're going to go a little faster. Elbows